In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Apple Maps when it's not working, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. Apple Maps is a handy tool for navigation, but like any app, it can sometimes encounter issues. Let's dive into some quick solutions to get it back on track. First things first, let's ensure that your internet connection is stable. Apple Maps requires a reliable internet connection to function properly, whether that's through Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you're experiencing issues, open up Safari or another app that connects to the internet to verify your connection. This simple step can often highlight connectivity problems that might be the root of your issue. Next up, let's try restarting the Apple Maps app. An app refresh often clears minor glitches. To do this, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, or if you're using an older iPhone with a home button, double press it. This will show you all the open apps. Locate Apple Maps and swipe it away to fully close it. Once closed, go ahead and reopen the app to see if this resolves the issue. If that doesn't work, we need to check if location services are enabled. Location services are crucial because they allow maps to access your location, which is essential for navigation. Head to settings, then tap on privacy and security and select location services. It's important to make sure location services are toggled on. Once confirmed, scroll down to the maps option and set it to either while using the app or always, depending on your preference for how and when maps can access your location. Moving on, let's turn on background app refresh. This feature allows maps to update content in the background, ensuring you have the latest information every time you open the app. To enable this, go to settings, tap on general, and then select background app refresh. Check to see that it's turned on for maps. Having this feature enabled can solve update or refresh related issues and improve the overall function of the app. Lastly, it's always wise to make sure your iOS is up to date. Sometimes software bugs affecting apps like Maps are fixed in the latest iOS updates. To check for updates, open settings, select general, and then tap on software update. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it. Keeping your operating system updated ensures that your apps run smoothly and with the newest features available. By following these steps carefully, you should be able to fix Apple Maps and get it back to perfect working condition. Whether it's a connection problem, a need for a reset, or a required update, these solutions will guide you through each potential fix. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to check back for more quick tech tips and troubleshooting guides.